Hello everyone, there is one question which is very trending in the IBPSP interview this year, that is related to the Indian currency rupee in term of dollar, why the value is continuously decreasing and what will be the impact of it on a common man, those who does not have any relation with the stock market, forex market etc. एक आम आदमी जिसका कोई रिलेशन नहीं है स्टॉक मार्केट इंटरनेशनल मार्केट से, उसके ऊपर क्या इंपैक्ट पड़ेगा. पॉइंट नंबर वन, the reason behind continuously devaluation of the Indian currency rupee is demand of dollar is high in the international market. Their economy is doing a little good compared to previously and more people are making investment now in the instruments of dollar. मतलब dollars related bonds में और dollars related equities में they are making investment international level, which is increasing the demand of dollar in term of investment. Along with that, most of the nations in the world, we know that they do import and make payment in the form of dollar. Because of that also dollar demand is increasing. Compared to dollar, rupee value is decreasing in that manner also. एक कारण ये है. Second is, most of the FDI, FII, foreign direct investment, foreign institutional investors, they are pulling back their money from the Indian stock market. तो ज्यादातर जो foreigners थे, those who were investing money previously, they were taking dollars and making investment in India. Now they are pulling back their money. Means अब वो यहां से अपना पैसा निकाल कर ले जा रहे हैं, which will be invested in the dollars. Because of that also, the confidence over the investment in Indian currency rupee is decreasing. This is also another reason why the Indian currency is going down. Now talking about the impact, how it is impacting to a person who have never have any relation with the stock market, international market, anything. A common man, middle class, lower middle class man. See, whenever we buy, one of the most important thing, that is crude oil from the international market, most of the payment we make in the form of dollars. The same crude oil get converted into petrol and diesel which we buy in India. Even someone is not having any relation with the international market, they need to buy fruits, vegetable, grocery for their home. If a grocery or fruit, vegetable, for example, a fruit or vegetable produced in Tamil Nadu but sold in Punjab, it will be transported from Tamil Nadu to Punjab within India. No import, no export, nothing involved. India के अंदर बना, India के अंदर बिक रहा है, but it will be transported from one place to another. Whenever the petrol prices get increased with the time, or service cost get increased with the time, transportation cost get increased with the time, it always impact smallest to smallest things which we purchase from the market, even tomato, potato or fruits, simple fruits. तो हर एक चीज के प्राइसेस थोड़ा बहुत इंक्रीज होते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इंटरनेशनल रीजन, एंड ईच एंड एवरीवन गेट इंपैक्टेड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. पॉजिटिव इंपैक्ट की अगर वो पूछते हैं, इज देयर एनी पॉजिटिव इंपैक्ट? ओनली टू द पीपल दोज हु आर डूइंग एक्सपोर्ट, दे आर एबल टू अर्न बेटर अमाउंट. तो जो एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं उनको एक पॉजिटिव इंपैक्ट है, otherwise it is going to be negative for most of the people. I hope I was able to give the answer of both the question. All the best for your interview from my side. कोई और क्वेश्चन हो जो आपके दिमाग में, do you want me to give the quick answer, write in the comment box. Subscribe the channel, so next video I'll be making over it. Take care. Jai Hind. All the best.